Hi friend, this is the Super Cool Couponer from CVS week of June 21 to June 27, 2020. Today I use all the digital and printable coupon. If you are new to CVS coupon, make sure to watch my first video in the description below. So let's get started. The first deal I did the Hershey's singles. Buy 2 get $1 ECB. Limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Hershey's single 1.39 nozzle for $2. I use $1 of 2 Hershey single printed on 6/14 to 6/20. Pay $1 and get back $1 ECB. The final cost in both are free. The second deal I did the Hershey razor deal. Spend $25 and get back $10 ECB. The limit is 1 per household. Buy 1 Silk Hydro 5 man razor, it's $12.49 each. Buy 1 Silk Hydro Silk 5 woman refill, $19.99. The totals come out $32.48. I use $5 of 20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use $1 of Silk Razor app only coupon. Use $3 of 12 Silk cartilage or any other razor CVS CRT. Use $4 of Silk Hydro Silk 5 refill CVS CRT. One is printed from last week and another one is printed from this week. Use $4 of woman Silk razor printable coupon on coupon.com. Use $4 of men Silk printable coupon. The total coupon is $25. Pay just $7.48 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $2.52 moneymaker. The third deal I did the Pantene deal. Buy 3 get $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It sell on 3 for $12. Buy 3 Pantene Beautiful Lens Shampoo 12.6 OZ, it's $12. Use $3 of 12 Hair Care CVS CRT. Use $2 of Pantene Hair Care CVS CRT. Use $1 of Pantene app only coupon. Use $3 of 3 Pantene digital coupon. The total coupon is $9. Pay $3 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 moneymaker. It's count towards CVS Beauty Reward. The fourth deal, I did the L'Oreal Paris facial care deal. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. The limit is 1 per household. I buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer. It's $19.49. 1 L'Oreal Paris Makeup Removing Towel. It's $5.79 each. I buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Foaming Gel Cleanser. It's $5.19. The totals come out $30.47. Use $5 of 15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. One is printed from last week and one is printed from this week. I used $7 of L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Use $4 of any L'Oreal facial care or cosmetic mystery coupon printed for everyone last week. The total coupon is $28. I paid $2.47. Get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $7.53 moneymaker. It's count towards the CVS Beauty Reward. So this is the fifth deal. You can do this deal, but I did the L'Oreal facial care deal. In this deal, just do 2 L'Oreal cosmetic deal together. If you have $5 of 25 L'Oreal CVS CRT, spend $15 L'Oreal cosmetic and get $5 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. And another one is L'Oreal Lash Paradise on sale $7.99 and get $3 ECB. It's limit 3 per household also. Buy 2 L'Oreal Voluminize Original Mascara. Its total come $19.48. Buy 1 L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. It's $7.99 each. The totals come out $27.70. Used $5 of 25 L'Oreal Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use $4 of L'Oreal mystery coupon printed on last week. Use 2 L'Oreal Paris Eye printable coupon on coupon.com. Use one L'Oreal Eye digital coupon. The total coupon is $15. Pay $12.17 and get back $5 ECB and get back $3 ECB. The final cost all three products is $1.39 each. The another deal is L'Oreal Lash Paradise deal. Buy one L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara $7.99 and get $3 ECB. The limit is 3. Buy L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara $7.99. Use $4 of mystery coupon printed on last week. Use $2 of L'Oreal Eye printable coupon on coupon.com. Otherwise, you can use the digital coupon. The total coupon is $6. Pay only $1.99 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.01 money maker. Now, this is the sixth deal, Colgate deal. Buy 2 Colgate, get $4 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. It's also sell on $2.99. Buy 4 Colgate Max Fresh 6 OZ. It's $11.96. Use $3 of 12 Colgate CVS CRT. Pay $8.96 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost all 4 Colgate is just only 24 cents each. The seventh deal is Maybelline. Buy 2 and get $5 ECB. Buy 2 Maybelline single eyeshadow, it's $8.98. Use $4 of mystery coupon, it's printed from this week. Pay only just $4.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free. So this is the 8th deal, Crest Oral-B and Scoop deal. Buy 3, get $5 ECB. Limit 2 per household. It sell $3.99. Buy 3 Crest toothpaste. The totals come out $11.97. Use $5 of 3 Crest digital coupon and use 50-cent off app only coupon. The totals come out $5.50. I pay $6.47 and get back $5 ECB. It's get 49 cents each. The 9th deal, and this is my last deal, Rock Facial Care deal. Rock Max Daily Hydration Cream is $30.79. Use 2 $10 of Rock Face Skincare CVS CRT. Use $6 of Rock Face Skincare printable on 6/14 and use $5 of 30 Facial Care CVS CRT. The total coupon is $30. The final cost is free and it's also count towards the CVS Beauty Reward. So that's this week couponing haul. If you have any question, comment down me below. I hope you enjoy my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.